I think these just might be the best headphones for anyone with an Android device. What's going on, guys? Ty Reke the Tech Geek here, back at it again, and back at it with a product that I've personally been waiting for ever since they were announced at Google's I/O event back in May, and that is the Google Pixel Buds Pro. Google's newest Pro model headphones and Google's direct competitor to the AirPods Pros and the Galaxy Buds Pros. Now, the Pixel Buds Pros are the direct successors to the Pixel Buds A series that were released last year, and they're pretty much better in every conceivable way. Fit, design, battery life, features, pretty much every way that you can think of. But the question that we're going to be asking ourselves today in this video, and the question I'm going to be answering, is that are these headphones worth the $200 that Google is asking for? But let's find out, starting with the unboxing. Opening up the packaging, you'll get the Pixel Buds Pro right on top with their iconic egg-shaped charging case, which is honestly one of my favorite charging case designs of all time. Underneath, you'll get a small tube that houses the different size ear tips that come with the Pixel Buds Pros. Inside the tube, you'll get small and large, with the medium-sized ear tips coming pre-installed on the buds themselves. Comparing the case of the Pixel Buds Pro to the case of the Pixel Buds A series, the Pixel Buds Pro case is slightly wider, with a black stripe along the inside of the top of the case. And here we have the buds themselves in this funky lemongrass color. And honestly, I love the hell out of this color. It's just the goofiest color that you can possibly pick for headphones. No one ever would have thought of this. Only Google and their weird color schemes would have thought of this, but honestly, I really like it. And the setup process is just as easy as you would expect for headphones that are made for a Google device these days. Simply open up the Google headphones right next to your device, tap Setup Device, and a couple prompts later, you're all set and ready to start listening. Now, speaking of listening, if you guys enjoy what you're watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tap and hold that bell icon so you never miss my latest video. Now, the design of the Pixel Buds Pros take a lot of design cues from the first Pixel Buds and the Pixel Buds A series. And when I say the first Pixel Buds, I mean these Pixel Buds, not these fucking travesties. Design cues such as the touchpad having this distinct bright color with the Google logo pressed into it. Now, there was one thing removed from the Pixel Buds Pros that were on the Pixel Buds A series and the original Pixel Buds, as customers had expressed discomfort and ear fatigue with the silicone wingtips that are present on those headphones. So Google took that advice and said, yeah, fair enough, and went ahead and completely removed them from the Pixel Buds Pros, focusing on design that centered more around fitting naturally to the curvature of the human ear and more comfortable silicone wingtips. On top of the Google Pixel Buds, you see these two black cutouts for noise pass-through when using transparency mode, and in order to get rid of that pressurized, cloggy feeling that you get inside your ears when using active noise cancellation. Now, my favorite part of the design has absolutely nothing to do with the headphones themselves. It's the charging case. Yes, Google's classic egg-shaped charging case design with the most satisfying opening and shutting sensation that can satiate anyone with even the worst ADHD. The fit of these headphones is a whole lot more comfortable than I had anticipated. They stay in my ear securely and comfortably, but of course your ears may vary. So make sure the medium-sized wingtips that come pre-installed on the headphones don't fit you. Try a combination of the large and small just to make sure you get the best fit inside your ear. But with a quick twist and insert, they stay in my ears and stay in place for the most part. As far as features go for these headphones, Google jam-packed these things with features. For one, they brought back touch controls that were absent on the Pixel Buds A series. So now you can single tap for play pause, double tap to skip forward, swipe forward once or twice to increase volume, swipe backwards once or twice to decrease volume, triple tap to skip backwards, and tap and hold to activate noise cancellation or transparency mode, or the Google Assistant, depending on how you have them set up in the settings. Now, the noise cancellation in these headphones is not top tier. They're capable of drowning out low hums or low frequency noises, such as like a washing machine or something like that, or a dishwasher. But anything higher frequency, such as like a car horn or music above a certain frequency, Those noises will peak inside the headphones and you will be able to hear them. But if you're just trying to drown out your everyday conversation, if you're just sitting inside of a coffee shop or every now and then, these headphones would do the trick just fine. The AirPods Pros are still the kings of active noise cancellation in headphones though. Having Google Assistant available with just a tap and hold at any time is amazing as always, especially when you have that feature available for 11 continuous hours and 31 hours with the charging case. If you have active noise cancellation on, you'll get 7 hours of playback time, which is class leading. Even the AirPods Pros only give you 4.5 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation on, and the Galaxy Buds Pros only give you 5 hours. So these headphones are perfect for things like long study sessions or long flights. The Google Pixel Buds Pros also come with multi-point connection, so now you can seamlessly switch from one device to another while wearing the headphones without having to go into the settings and pair or repair your headphones to either one of the devices. You can even do this between iOS devices, so good on Google for that one. Now, overall, and please excuse my language, I'm gonna try to do my best Chris Bearcloth impression here. I fucking love these things. A fantastic fit, beautiful design, tons of features, a great charging case. I truly believe that these are the best truly wireless headphones that you can buy if you have an Android device, whether it be Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Motorola, doesn't matter. If you have an Android device, I believe these are the best truly wireless headphones that you can buy, and I believe that the $200 price that Google is asking for them is well worth it. If you guys are looking to pick up the Pixel Buds Pros, I'll leave a comment down below. They come in 4 distinct colors: charcoal, fog, coral, and of course, the lemongrass color that we've shown off today for you guys. But anyway, guys, this has been my unboxing and review of the Pixel Buds Pros. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've been Ty Reke, the Tech Geek, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.